Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you once again to my channel, and the name still remains Omades. And please, if you are new to the channel, you kindly subscribe, you like, and then you share. And in today's episode we are going to learn how we can design a very nice book cover for fine art. Okay, so these are my images I'll be using, and I'll be also using some images, some words also from this place. Okay, so first of all, we have to know the size of the book that we are coming to design. Okay, whether the book has spine, whether it will have a perfect stitching, or it will be just stitching. Okay, just normal pinning, staple stitching. Okay, so if it will be perfect binding, it means it will get a spine. Okay, so first of all, this book, we have to know the size of the book, and here you have to make sure your inches, the one your unit, the one that you know best. I normally use inches. Okay, so the size of this book will be, I think, 15 by 10. Okay, 15 by 10. Yeah, good. And that is the size of the paper. Okay, that is the size of the paper that I'll be using. So normally the size of the work, I should deduct 5 from it. I should deduct half from it, so it should be 14 and half by 9 and half. The reason being that the main size, or the size of this sheet, is 15 by 10. So the work, or the artwork, should occupy 14 and half by 9 and half, so that it will be leaving a creeping margin in case they are resent to pre-press to print. Okay, and there should also be margins for cutting. Okay, after we finish the work for final product. Okay, so this is the size of the paper that we are coming to use for our artwork. That is 14 and a half by 9 and a half. Okay, so first of all, we have to divide the paper into 2 equal parts. Then I'll pick one ruler from left here. Okay, then I'll press P. It will be in the midpoint, exactly midpoint of the paper. Okay, and like I said, you have to consider whether this one, it will be just stitching, it will be just stitching like staple stitching, or it will be a perfect binding. Perfect binding, normally it has a spine, and before you get the number of before you get the size of the spine, you have to know the number of sheets that will be inside the book. So this one, I will just take the spine automatically. Okay, I'll just take the spine automatically, or better still, I can leave without, I can do it without a spine, but I'm creating a spine for it. Okay, good. So I'll just take this one as a spine. Okay, this is the size of the spine. So after I've drew this, I'll press P, and that one also will be at the center of the page. Then I'll take rulers to measure the size. Then after, I'll delete it. So this one will be the spine here and here, and designing will take the rest. Okay, left and right. And like I told you, if we're designing a book cover, it means once you have finished dividing the page into 2 equal parts, it means the right side here is the front page. The right side here is the front page. Okay, assuming this is the book. If you open a book, this is how, if you open a book flat. Okay, if you open a book flat, this is how you are going to get it. Here will be a front page, and here will be a back page. So here, our designing here, if you are doing any design or creating any design here, know that here will be the front page of the book. Okay, or the book cover. Then here will be the back of the book. Okay, so first of all, I'll just create a very simple design. Okay, good. So and before you design any book cover, I have to know the book title, I have to know the author, and at least a little information about the author. Okay, good. And the title of the book, like I said. So first of all, I'll create a very simple design here, very simple one, very simple one. So I'll create this, and you're still watching Omades, I'll do this and I'll fill it with any color, like let's say this one. Okay, good. And I'll come to objects, then I'll convert it to curves. Okay, let me close it a bit. Then I'll double click this place to clear off this point, so that to be something like this. Good, exactly, that is what I'm looking for, just like this. Okay, then I'll copy one again, then I'll bring it in front like this, then I'll give it a different color. Let's say this one, then I'll send it behind. I'm doing my own design, you can do yours. Okay, good. Then let me select and remove the outline. Okay, good. Then it must be here. Okay, then this one also must be a little bit here. Okay, good. Let me pull it outside a bit. Like this. I'll double click here and create something nice like this. Okay, good. Sorry, create something nice like this. Yeah, this one also will be out a bit. Then I prefer using this image for a front page. Okay, yeah, so I'll do something like this. I'll send it behind, so I'll click on order, back of page like this, then I'll stretch it to the end here. Okay, and I'll make sure it will fall within this place. Okay, I'm just creating something simple. I'm not creating any complex design. Okay, good. You are still watching Omades. Please, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe, like, and you share. Okay, good. So once I've gotten this one like this, I'll create something here, simple, something around that place. So I'll give it a color. Let's say, yeah, good. And I'll send it behind. Okay, I'm creating my design. You can create yours. So I will choose to take transparent tool and blend this place together with this one. Okay, so I'll do this. Okay, sorry, undo. I'm blending this one, this image, so I have to select this one. Okay, so I'll do this. Okay, like this. Sorry, like this. Yeah, I'll blend it with that background. Yeah, I have to stretch this one down a bit. Good. Yeah, let me remove the outline. This one, there's an outline black. I have to remove it. Good. So as you can see, then I'll be creating another design here like this. Okay, good. Yeah, I'll remove the outline, then I'll choose this place to be let's say what let me use Omades series. Yeah, use Omades series. And let me change it to capital letters. I want it to be capital letters, and I'll choose a very nice font for it, or I can choose to maintain this one. Okay, so I'll take this, I'll draw this. Okay, then I'll take shape tool and I'll make the edges I'll make the edges round, or I can do this. I'll click here once, then I'll pull this place, then I'll click here also once, then I'll pull this place. Okay, just to create something nice here. Then I'll give it this one. It must be up. Okay, you can press shift page up. Okay, shift page up, and it will be up. And I'll fill inside what color? It depends. Okay, it depends. Okay, let me fill inside this color. Shift page up will bring the hidden word. So I can, let me change the font style. You're still watching Omades Book Antiqua. Okay, this is not bad. Book Antiqua. Then I'll copy one of this. Okay, like this. Then I'll fill it with black. Okay, I'll press control page down, yes. Good. So this is the name of the publisher. Okay, as the publishers, and that's Omades series. Then down here, let me copy this way. Down here, let me also create something nice for this one, like this. I'll use fountain fill to create a very nice. Okay, I'm still watching on my desk. And then here, let me see. Yeah, this one is not bad. I'll make here a little bit light, like this. Okay, a little bit light, like this. Then I'll increase the other side also to be darker. Okay, like this. Good. So I'm coming to give the book a name, which is this one. Okay, let me name it to be African painting, or African artwork. Okay, African artwork. Yeah, you're still watching on my desk. African artwork. Okay, now let me change the typeface or the font style. Change the font style. This is okay. African artwork. I'm just making a very simple design. Okay, and I'll write something down. Full course book. African artwork full course book. Okay, full course book. African artwork full course book. Yes. Then I'm gonna reduce this one a bit. Reduce it a bit. Yes. Then I'll create something like arts work. Okay, I'm just creating something here, and I'll choose the name of this font. The name of this font. That is script Tina. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's something like this. This one up. I'll make this one a little bit light. Okay, I'll use transparency to make it transparent. Okay. Like this. Good. still watching on my desk. Okay, so I'm going to be up. I'm going to reduce the opacity for this one. Okay, let's still reduce it. So African artwork full course book for which people? So I'll write for then let me create another artwork here. I'll copy one of these like this. Okay, copy one of this, then I'll use this one to just beautify it. So I'll change the color here. Okay, let's change the color here. Okay, you're still watching on my desk. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. Then I'll copy one also up here. Okay, good. Now let's come down here. Then the down here too, I'll create something. I'm just doing a very simple cover. I'll create something down here, like let's say which color? Okay, let me work with the properties of. Okay, and I'll send this one under back of page. I'll remove the outline. Okay, good. Yeah. So what next? I'll just create something nice here, like let's say I'm creating something like this. Yeah, I'm still watching on my desk. Sorry. Good. Then I'll be creating this. Then I'll be using transparent tool. Then I'll use uniform. Okay, and I'll come here. You see overlay. Yes, overlay. Something like this. Just creating some effects here. Show it out. Okay, overlay. Okay, overlay. Okay, then I'll copy the same thing here. I'll mirror it and create something nice like this. Okay, just creating an effect. So let me reduce this one a bit, and I can change this one to create a different effect. You can just glance through and it gives you different effect. Okay, good. So I'll write for which people? African artwork for African artwork full course. Okay, for tertiary. Okay, tertiary. I don't know if I'm correct. For tertiary institutions. Okay. Yeah. Second artwork. Focus for tertiary institutions. So I'll change this one to let me see this I'm still watching on my desk. section. Tertiary institution. There still remains Omades. Please, when you come, then you like, you share, you comment. Change this. Tertiary institutional type of the font. I like using this font. Not bad. Tertiary institution. Okay. Now, what I do, I have to change the color. Now give a color an outline. So I'll press F12 on your keyboard. That will bring the full properties of an outline. So I'll choose let's say this. Then I'll click on behind fill. This one is not bad. Let me choose 2 or 2.5. Okay, good. Something like this. Then I'll copy one of this. Okay, one of this, and place something like this. Somewhere here. Then tertiary institutions, and I'll create something like this down here, create something like this somewhere here. Okay, then I'll do the color like this one. I'll remove an outline. Let me increase the color a bit. Okay, then I will copy one like this. I'm just creating something, and I'll convert this one to curve. So I'll right click, okay, then I'll convert it to curve, and I'll pull this place to here. Okay, I'm just creating something down here. Good. And I'll use the same method like this and this one, and I'll copy the same thing and mirror it again. I'll click this thing down here. Then I'll write, what should I write? Revised edition. Okay, good. Am I correct? Yes. And we'll center it. This one. Okay. Color, let's say this. Okay. I'll come here, then I'll break the text into two. I'll make the top one small a bit. Okay, something like this. Then the top one, the down one, I'll make it big. Okay, like this. You're still watching on my desk. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it down in the comment section. So now let me group this one so that I can move it. Okay. Let me place it here. Then I'll bring the author's name. That is hot water. I'll write okay. this, and I'll place it on the, let me copy this color. Okay, I'll fill it. Okay, then I'll shift page up like this, then I'll use also a different color, let me dim it or italize it. Let me add something normal that you see. Like this one might be a space because there will be a cutting after we finish everything, so there must be an advanced space for it. And let me use this transparent to blur the background. Okay, like this. Okay, good. Johnny Senior. This one must be here. So South African arts work full course. Okay, 4. There must be this, something like this here. 4. Okay, good. I'll do this. Okay, let me copy one again. So like this. I'll do the outline. Okay, I'll group it like this. I'll come here, I'll convert it to curves, bitmaps. Okay, then I'll come to effects, I'll come to 3D, then I'll curve it. Okay, I'll curve the page like this. Let's see. Then I'll put that thing inside. Okay, 4. African artwork, full course for tertiary institutions. Okay, and then let me place this one also somewhere here. Okay, this one should be up. Now, then I come to back here. We'll finish the front page. And the back here, I'm creating something simple. You are still watching Omades. I'm creating something very simple here. Okay, very simple. So I'll do this. Okay, yeah. I'll copy this. I'll copy this thing. Or let me copy this one straight. Okay, I don't need to worry myself. I'm copying this one. I'll place it somewhere here. Okay, good, like this. Then I'll copy one again and I'll reduce this one. I'll send this one other back of page like this. Okay, Good. And I'll stretch it down here. So this one, let me elevate it. Choose color from this place. Do something like pink. Good. Something like this. Okay. Then I'll do this. And before that, let me draw something like this. Okay. Then I'll copy this yellow and fill it inside here. I'll send this one order. I want it to go down like this. Okay. Okay, I'll remove the outline. Okay. Then this one too, I'll fill it with white. Okay. Then I'll use this transparent and use uniform like this. Okay. Good. Then remove the outline. Okay. Now I'll copy some of these words and present it as about the author. Okay. Good. I'll use it as about the author. Okay. Right click, paste. Okay. Let me use let's say 13. Okay. Then I'll use this one to make it loose a bit. Okay. I'll give paragraph for this and for this one also. Okay. Still watching Omades, and the author's picture must be somewhere here. Okay. So normally I will draw something like this to be used as where the author's picture will be. Then once you draw this, I'll use wrapping style. Okay. Wrapping style. Yeah, this one. Good. Copy this one. Okay. And I'll create something like this. I'll remove the outline. Let's increase the darkness, something like this. Okay. Okay. Let's increase the outline for this one. Yeah. Then the author's picture will be somewhere here. Okay. Good. Then I'll place this one also somewhere here. The same artwork, some of the artwork, I'll place it somewhere here. Okay, just to beautify it. So I'll fill it with white. I will select all this and the image together. Shift page up. I'll select only the image. Good. And I'll use the same method. Okay. Good. Increase the outline. Good. Change the color. So the author's picture will be somewhere here. Okay. Good. Then I'll use this one as a background. Okay. Good. up a bit. This one should also go up a bit, just to create a very nice space for cutting. Then it's left with a spine, so I'll use some of this for the spine. Okay, so I must fall within here. Okay, and I'll create the spine. This is the space for the spine. Okay, you're still watching Omades. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. Okay, this for the spine. To have to work on it small. Work on the spine small. Okay, good. So normally the publication or somewhere come here, and for the spine it has to be like this. Okay, to follow like this. So it will be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Then this one, the title will also come. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, like this. You're still watching Omades. It must fall within. It shouldn't occupy the whole space, because the folding will pass through this place and here. Okay, so it must fall within the middle. Okay, good. Then I can bring this one. Okay, yeah. So the spine normally also contains some information about the author, and this one also comes. Okay, and then for that one I can do it like this. Okay, yeah. Like this one, let me reduce the outline. I think one will be okay. So you see there are now space from here to top and from here to down. The space must be equal. Okay, so let me move here up a bit. So that is that. And one thing is, the book normally contain the ISBN. Okay, ISBN, that one, it will be here. That's something like a barcode. Yeah, that one is generated from, I think it's from copyright or something like that, to be generated, so that you place it here, so that that one indicates that your book is registered. Okay, and it's bound by copyright. That one to be here. Okay, good. So thank you for your time, and please enjoy these tutorials. Bye bye.